Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing vlogging the day before my induction. Guys, it's going to be 41 weeks tomorrow. And it just is absolutely crazy to me that I'm talking to you still with no baby. This is my fifth. All my other kids have been early, a week or 2 weeks early, and Briggs was 2 days after my due date. So it's crazy to me that I'm 41 weeks with her and she still hasn't came. Like I didn't go into labor. So 2 days ago I woke up because I was having contractions, and I had contractions from 10 o'clock at night to 4 in the morning, and then when I fell back asleep they just went away, which is so crazy to me. So basically my doctor's scheduling an induction for tomorrow if we can get in, which I really hope that we can. He's gonna let me know at 5 o'clock today, but we're gonna act like this is the last day before baby comes. So it's kind of cool that we kind of know, and so this is like the last day where we only have 4 kids. And then tomorrow's induction day. So I thought I would vlog it and I would bring you guys along and would have fun. My mom's here downstairs. I always love when she comes because I miss her so much, but she makes bomb food and we just have such a good time. So that's kind of what's going on, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous. I'm super scared. I have had nothing but normal vaginal births. I had all epidurals with all of them. But they all went really smooth. So I'm super nervous about getting induced because I'm nervous that something's gonna happen, especially because, I know it's crazy, but I'm telling you guys my fears, especially because I had placenta previa most of my pregnancy until 35 weeks, I think, 32 weeks. He told me that I was cleared. And I've never gone to 41 weeks, so I'm just so nervous about it. So anyways, so that's kind of what's going on. My hospital bags are over there, they're ready to go, and we're just gonna hang out and chill and do some last minute things. I'm gonna do my nails, hang out with my mom, go to dinner tonight. So I'll bring you guys along and we can see how the day goes.
What are you making, Kai? A spider? Whoa.
Spider! Hey, Mom, what?
Wow.
Spider!
Nice.
Let me back one. Do a try to fight me. Look.
Brigham riding his horse. Are you excited to see baby sister? Come here. What do you want baby sister to know?
So, I want her to know I love her so much. I want to play with her. I want her to come out. I want her.
That's it? Okay, Durham, what do you want to tell baby sister? Baby sister's coming tomorrow. What are you gonna say? What do you want her to know before she comes?
I want him to play the game with me.
Xbox game? Whoa.
And play one-player game with me.
Ah. Are you excited for her to come?
Yeah.
Are you going to give her loves?
Yeah.
Baby sister comes tomorrow. What do you want baby sister to know? What are you going to tell baby sister?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. So what are you going to tell her? Are you going to tell her that you love her so much and you want her to come fast?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Mom's going to make some tamales. While I do my nails. What are we doing right now, Daddy? Grandma's making tamales! Oh, so good. And we're gonna freeze them and keep them because last time she was here, she helped us make a ton and they're all gone now. And Butch thinks he's a master tamale assembler. So he's gonna come.
I'm retired.
You put this on. Show them what you're putting on here. He's very proud of that.
As you can tell.
Okay, that's definitely should be up a little higher, but it's okay. He's gonna put the chili. Oh, don't let him rip. And then I'm gonna put. All I'm gonna do is put them in here. So here when you're done.
How much do you want in there?
Yeah, you're gonna have to show him how much because last time he did too much.
So we're skimping on the meat, huh?
Last time, Mom, they put too much in there.
Oh, you can see it?
Yes, I told them that was too much.
Okay, well, do whatever you like.
There you go.
They're gonna be yours. No. So
What is that?
Let me show you. You put it like this, and you fold it.
I know. I was giving strength to do.
I don't need to fold them. I'm gonna put them in there. I can't have dirty hands. They have no idea tomorrow baby sister's coming. Look at that face. Go push your stroller around. Go push the stroller around. Do you want me to take that watch off of you or real life right here? That sun must feel so good on his back. Brigham, say hi. Say I love Autumn Rose. Wow. How's yours? Going out for the last time. Okay, guys. So we just got back from dinner, and I don't know if I already said this earlier or not, but the hospital called, and I'm laying in my bed now, if you're wondering, with my belly out. Oh my gosh, I'm so uncomfortable. And I wasn't that uncomfortable until literally yesterday. I started to get really, really, really uncomfortable. Like just, my belly hurts, everything hurts. But anyways, the hospital called. I'm getting induced tomorrow for sure at 4 p.m. And I'll be doing a labor and delivery vlog unless I happen to go into labor tonight. I am excited. I'm gonna eat breakfast, lunch, and an early dinner and then go in. But I'm so nervous. We'll just have to see. They said they would give me like a pill first. I'm guessing it's, I want to say Cetaphil. I'm not sure what it's called. But then they would do a little bit of Pitocin, and I'm guessing when I'm like 4 or 5 centimeters, they'll probably break my water. So we'll see how that goes. I hope it goes good. You guys, wish me luck. Never been induced, so we'll just have to see. But that was it. I feel like we had a fun day because my husband came home early from work and we got to hang out with the kids. It was just pretty calm. We did tamales. We played outside and with the kids. We went to dinner. We just relaxed and talked, and it was a good day. So I'm excited for tomorrow. Hope baby comes fast. But yeah, thanks for watching the vlog, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and labor and delivery vlog will be coming soon. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.